Ola na munini wa Musumbi o yumotongo wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua akasogete ba musi kuma Amerika wakana wa chuma chokite au mitanda mbukani ya kioteti ila ya kwelungu ya moyuma malembetani kebathukani ma Amerika. Munini wa mutongo ichamane Cleophas Malala ni wabitho wa Gachagua akanenga na uneni wake munene kwanthi kukonye maondo kauta muthenya na NND ni matho komoke kwa wingi kwa muthoche kiwanzani kinene cha ukui wa ndege cha Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Benjamin Mwaka no kutweleza
itino ndambuka ya mwayumwe ku ya Amerika ilembetani limwe ngina ila ingi kuna na NND ba Kenya la mekala ku Gachagua nutilile ndambuka na itho isokithia vamusi wakana ukete.
It is with pride that we announce the return of our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, following a highly successful official tour of the United States of America. I am pleased to announce to the country that his plane will land at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on Thursday, 21st August 2025 at exactly 12 noon.
Chama cha DCP kiweta kina wia munene kana serikali vienda kumua Gachagua kiwete vango ya kumwiki ambini mutongo yu wasiokithia vamusi vina kielo kimwe cha kumomina thayo na mathiti kila kutele mwane serikali.
Deputy President Kithure Kindiki and Interior Minister Kipchumba Murkomen have shamelessly issued public threats to arrest His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua upon his arrival. Their intent is to subject our party leader to slow and silent assassination by poisoning, the very same cruel method once inflicted on the late Kenneth Matiba while in state custody. Their plan upon our party leader's arrival at JKIA is to abduct, intimidate, brutalize, and eventually place him under house arrest, cut him off from his supporters, and deny him the right to address the nation.
Kuyana na Malala ni kana raundi serikali atatapani ni kutelemia Gachagua ati imono ngina mongame na kumosesea.
Let this be crystal clear. If they dare lay a hand on him, the country will grind to a halt. They did this during his impeachment. He responded by asking his supporters to stand down and protest by singing melodies. But this time round, let the plotters know that the song is different. The rhythm is tougher, and we will turn into a cacophony of defiance. There comes a time when enough has to be enough, and that time is now.
Inge Malala nwakulie nendi meumile kwa wingi kwanza ni choku itandike cha JKIA kumuthocha Gachagua vamusi chuma chokite.
I urge all the DCP supporters and Kenyans yearning for change to turn up in large numbers at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to welcome our beloved party leader. Your presence is your power. Your numbers are your shields. Your unity is our victory.
Vilingwa mauvo kwa vamusini wa Ilovi. Nito Benjamin Mwaka.